Welcome to SwiftTech's How-To series. In this video, we'll show you how to export Help Center articles in various formats using Help Center Manager. When you're managing a Help Center, sometimes you need to do more than just write articles. You need to export them for a variety of reasons. Maybe you want to track article progress or create tasks in Excel, collaborate in Word or Google Docs, send a PDF manual to a customer, back up your content as HTML, or feed a chatbot that doesn't integrate with Zendesk. But Zendesk doesn't support exporting articles natively. That's where Help Center Manager by SwiftTech comes in. Start by connecting your Zendesk Help Center. Then, use our powerful filters, like category, section, or language, to narrow down exactly which articles you want to export. You can even combine filters for more precision. Next, select one or multiple articles. Once selected, click Export to choose your format. You'll see 4 export options, each designed for a different use case. Export to CSV to audit content, track tasks, or analyze metadata, with or without the full article content. It works seamlessly with Excel and Google Sheets. With each option, a download link will be sent directly to your email. Just open the link and your export is ready to go. Need a full backup? Choose Export to HTML. You can export everything as one combined file or generate a separate file for each article. Want to collaborate? Select Export as a Word document, a docx format that's compatible with both Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Again, you can export to one file or multiple. And if you need to share polished content externally, go with the Export to PDF option to create clean, professional manuals for your customers to read offline. With Help Center Manager, you get full control over your Zendesk content.